In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a Microsoft Access 2026 database table to another Access database table. By the end, you'll have a live connection from one database to another, so your data stays in the original file while you can use it in your working database for queries, forms, and reports. Start by opening Microsoft Access. Make sure you open the database where you want the linked table to appear. If you're already in a project, it's a good idea to save your work first. Also, confirm that you have permission to read the source database and that no one has it locked in exclusive mode. Head to the External Data tab along the ribbon. This is where Access centralizes all options for bringing in or connecting to outside data sources. Choose New Data Source, then select from Database and pick Access. You may see an option for From File in Excel as well, but since we're linking one Access table to another, stick with the Access option. Browse to the source database file you want to link to. In the dialog, select Link to the data source by creating a linked table. This is important. Linking keeps the data in the original database and creates a live pointer in your current database. Importing, on the other hand, would copy data over and break the live connection. Next, select the specific table or tables you want to link and click OK. Access will add those as linked tables to your navigation pane. You'll notice a small arrow icon on linked tables to indicate they point to external data. If the source table has a primary key, Access will respect that key information in the link, which helps maintain consistency. Now go to the Database Tools tab and click Relationships. This is where you define how your local tables and linked tables relate to each other so queries and forms behave predictably. Add the tables you want to connect. Include your newly linked table and the local or other linked table that references it. If the window is crowded, arrange them so the key fields are visible. Drag the primary key field from the parent table and drop it onto the matching foreign key field in the related table. Ensure those fields have compatible data types and ideally the same data format. If appropriate, consider enabling referential integrity so Access prevents orphaned records. Use cascade options only if you understand their impact. Finally, click Create to confirm the relationship. Save the relationships window. You can now work with the linked table, just like a local one, with the benefit that updates in the source are reflected instantly in your database.